Hey guys, today I haven't filmed a video in a long time, so I'm finally doing it. I know I did another one, so I'm gonna record that up soon. But I just got my Loot Crate. I didn't do one Loot Crate unboxing, but I'm gonna do another one. This is my final month, but maybe I'll wait for another Christmas maybe. And yeah, I have a pencil for my homework, so I'm just gonna turn the cheese in there. Just gonna stab it. You know, I think I have a pocket knife. Yep. Okay, right here. Hey, Lily. My dog is over there. I'm sorry. Oh, wrong way. Okay. I opened it. And, oh no. Okay. Ooh, I do not know what the theme is. And I'm upset. Oh, I got a t-shirt. Let's see. What is it? Stark Motor. I think it's like motorcycles or something. It's a Marvel Stark t-shirt. That's cool. Battlestar Galactica replica thing. I'm gonna open this. I'm not a nerd. I'm not a Battlestar Galactica fan. I don't even know what. I barely even know what it is. But cool. Okay. Do not know what this is. I got a official member looter credit card. I'll look that up later. Oh, cool. This is actually pretty cool. A metal Batman Batwing keychain. Oh, it's like vehicles. That's cool. Okay. Batwing, not Batwing. I'm totally gonna put this in my backpack. Oh my god, this is actually really cool. Little Batwing. It's kind of like the Hardy Boys sign. Do you remember when Jeff Hardy put the thing on? It kind of looks like that. Ooh. An Eleanor car thing. What's this? Oh! I do not know what that is. Oh, there's the. What is this? Oh, this was just kind of here. Ooh, the official pen. There's always a pen in there. This is a. Oh, it's Speed. Oh, it's Speed. I get it. I thought this was gonna be like a Sonic thing or something. Flash. It's so cool. It's a little motor pen or something. Ooh, a collectible auto ornament from Arrow. And no, from the Flash. Oh my god, I'm totally gonna give this to like my mom or something, or dad. Because I mean I don't have a car, so I can't use it. It's the official. And this is the book they always give. So I'm not gonna do another. I'm only gonna do 2 unboxings. But ooh, there's a WWE crate, and I'm a wrestling fan, of course. I actually, cause I told you that, I actually do have a belt over here. So yeah, it's so cool. Wow. And I have a little time. I have a ton of time left. Oh my god, I'm gonna open all these things. So I'm probably gonna give this to my dad or something, because this is actually really cool. He's going on a fishing trip, I think. I do not know what this is. It might be a gift card or something. I'm totally using it. I'll look after. It looks cool though. Oh, I know. You nerds in the comments are gonna be like, "Scorn sounds you couldn't open the box." Ow. But no, I'm one of those people who'd open the box. The box? I'm not a good talker. Oh, cool. This is like a holder. I'm gonna use this when I'm on my desk over there for editing. I'm very bad at editing. I cannot edit. But like for doing my homework and everything. Okay, so I think you have to. Yeah. Okay. How do you do this? It looks cool. I mean, I don't watch Battlestar Galactica. Or whatever it is, the comic. Oh my god. It's very nice design. But if I knew what these are, okay, that'd be great if I knew what these are. Oh, I get it. Okay, I think you need to. Oh, I got it. So it's like you put it right here, and this. Oh my god, this is hard. Oh my god, Dark Souls like got nutted on this hardness. Don't take that. That was kind of an innuendo. Yes! I did it! It like stands up for you. This is so cool. I like it. I'm Mr. Galactica coming in. I died. Okay. The Eleanor 67 movie star Mustang. Oh. Oh, I actually love the show Arrow. It's like on the back. Have you ever watched that show? It's a great show. But this is a Flash with the speed, you know. Okay. Oh. Let's go to fight. There, I'll do. Okay, I'm gonna wear the pin. I actually, from last time's Luke, I'm gonna put that video up soon. Don't worry. Don't you fret. I have this, which is a Star Trek pin. That's cool. Oh, give me 1 second. Okay. So, I'm gonna wear the shirt. It fits. Feels really nice, actually. I like your shirt. I'm gonna wear it more. So yeah, now I have this thing, the Batwing. This is really cool. I wish it was like a necklace. Again, Hardy Boys. I was always afraid that I was gonna like stab him in the neck or something. That was very sharp. Do I have to? Okay, I'm gonna go to lootcrate.com/pins. Go to lootcrate.com/pins and have this pin, and you can unlock something, I guess. So I'm gonna do that later. Winner. Oh my god, this is actually really cool. It's like a wheel. So I don't know what this is though. Give me one. I'm just gonna look at it. At this thing. Oh, it's from Gone in 60 Seconds. That awful Nicolas Cage movie. Ugh. Okay. The Mustang. By the way, I was talking about the Mustang, like this Mustang is from Gone in 60 Seconds. Yes. Oh. Where is it? What is this? Oh, that's the girl with the shirt on. Here's the Aero car thing. You can put it on your car. Look cool. Oh, you could I'm totally doing this. Here, I'll look at it later, but I have a lot of things to do with it. Okay. This is so cool. I'm excited for Christmas though, because like It's kind of expensive, so I'm wishing for it. Yeah. Ooh, this was the looker I got last time. You can see that later, and I'm gonna upload that later. Ooh, the Kill Bill socks. That was so weird. That was the most random thing. So I'm just gonna put this up. Yes. And then I'm going to open. No, I'll do it later. The Flash car ornament. I think my dad would like this better though, probably. But my mom does love Arrow, the show. Like, I watch it with her sometimes. So I think she's probably gonna maybe like this. I'll maybe get her into the Flash. Because I got her into Arrow. Green Arrow's my favorite superhero after watching that show. I don't know. It's such a good show. Wow. Okay. It's Flash. Oh, I see how it would fit on someone's car. This is cool. I might have this on my desk or something. Not my car. I don't have a car, of course. But this is really cool. Look at this. The Flash thing. I'm gonna tell my dad or something to put on his cars. I'm gonna get my dad too. So yeah, that was everything. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and such. And I have a lot of cleaning up to do. Yeah, okay. So have fun, have a nice day, enjoy your stuff, love stuff, and if you got Loot Crate, I love you, bye, yeah.